Purchasing ePACEs. Your school must first purchase ePACE licenses before assigning ePACEs to your students. Only the administrator or supervisor assigned to the purchasing role can complete this purchase. Licenses are $3.50 each and can be used to assign any full access ePACE. To purchase ePACEs, go to School Setup and select ePACE Purchase Tracking. Your current available ePACEs are located on the top left. Above the total purchased ePACEs, click Purchase ePACEs. Enter the number of ePACE licenses to purchase and proceed to checkout to enter credit card information. Purchased ePACE licenses will be added as available ePACEs and can be assigned as full access in any subject and PACE number. For more information, please refer to the resource on assigning ePACEs to students. If you do not immediately see available ePACEs added to your school account, then check your email inbox for transaction details. If the transaction completed successfully, then you will have an email containing a receipt. If the transaction was not completed successfully, then you will have an email stating the reason why. If you still have questions about your transaction, contact ePACE support at aceschooloftomorrow.com.